Hi, I'm John Higgins and welcome to my channel. This is the next instalment in my series of videos on the Haptwork virtual pipe organ project. And if you've seen my other videos, you would have noticed one of the segments of the project was midifying the original pedal board. And there's a slight snag that I've encountered, but also more of an improvement that I want to make. So you can see this original pedal board here is designed to clip in to the organ case with 3 clips here, here and here. And if we go down, here's the organ case. Here's my son Levi, and there's one clip there, another one there and another one there, and that's what locates the pedal board in position. So there was 2 ways I could have done this. The first one was to have all of this switching mechanism. You'll recall on the back here is all the reed switches that are activated by these magnets. I could have had that switching set up inside the organ, but I incorrectly chose to have it all mounted to the pedal board here. And the problem I've encountered now is that there's very little clearance here underneath the swell pedal. As you can see, this gap is quite tight, and so what's happening is, as these clips are riding up here and then they go into that slot, this timber piece here is fouling, and also some of the tops of these pedals here, which I adjusted to get the magnets in the right place, they're actually fouling as well, which means if I put them back, if I unscrew these screws here and put the slots back down to where they were originally, they'll fit, but then the magnets are in the wrong place and it creates uneven pedal playing, because some of the pedals you barely touch and they play, and others were having to go right to the bottom. So what I've decided to do is cut my losses and get it right. I'm going to relocate all of this switching mechanism and mount that inside the back of the organ, which means it's going to sit. This is the view from the other side now, as you can see. I'm going to mount that off some brackets here, and that will also come, I'll have to fit that underneath this timber. I'll take this shelf off and out of the way. That's the old shelf where the original blower sat, and that way all the electronics will stay contained within the console, and then the pedal board will just have the magnets on the back of the pedals, and it will just clip into place as it used to do, and there'll be no wires connected to this at all, which means if I need to disassemble it in the future, I don't have to worry about breaking wires or damaging plugs or anything. So the critical thing is going to be building the mounting brackets to locate all of these reed switches at exactly the right height and exactly the right distance away. So I can't afford to have this timber too high, or the switches won't have the sensitivity to detect the magnets, but if it's too close it can cause problems as well. So I'll get started and I'll show you the finished product in the next video. So should be straightforward in concept, a bit of fiddling around, but the end result is going to be much more user friendly and much more reliable because of less risk of damaging parts. So time to get to work. We'll catch you in the next video.